Ah, shit, here we go again. It's officially pre-spooky season and we're kicking it off with a bang. This video is my entry for the 2019 NYX Face Awards and I'll be spookifying myself into Beelzebugz. This is my version of the spooky satanic prince Beelzebub and I couldn't be happier with how this look turned out, so let's just get to spookifying. First, we're going to be starting with clean skin in a water-based paint, applying that all over the face, neck, chest, shoulders, and ears. Once I'm all purple, I'll be setting that paint using a variety of purple eyeshadows. I wanted the demon to have very defined features, so I'll be using a darker shade of purple to contour my cheeks, nose, neck, and collarbones. Then I'll be using a lighter shade to diffuse any harshness and highlight the remaining areas. We're going to do something a little funky with the brows, so I'll be applying a white brow pomade with a brow brush and sweeping them through my brow hairs. Afterwards, I'll be applying a lime green eyeshadow over top of the pomade. Now I'm going to do a quick smoky eye using a black eyeshadow all over the lid and then the darker shade of purple that I use for my contour as a transition shade. I wanted my eyes to appear a bit larger, so I'll be applying a white gel liner to my lower waterline as well as the inner corner of my eyes. Then to top off this eye look, I'll be double stacking 2 giant pairs of lashes and of course adding some choppy bottom lashes to the lower lash line. Now for my favorite part of the look, the lips, I'll be applying a black liquid lipstick and exaggerating the size and shape of my mouth. Then I'll be taking a detailed liner brush with the liquid lipstick and creating a Joker style mouth with a twist. Literally. I'm just freehanding these spirals at the ends of the mouth and then taking a white liquid liner and drawing on highlights to the lips as if I were wearing a gloss. This is my favorite effect to do to make lips appear large and juicy. Quickly brushing on a little bit of blush using a hot pink eyeshadow as a last minute addition to the look. Then popping on this beautiful black wig, these demonic horns that I spent over 4 hours hand painting myself, 1 black and 1 white contact to the eyes, and these creepy salad finger PVC gloves. There you have it, Beelzebugz, one of the 7 princesses of hell with a Beelzebugz twist. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to your fave demon down below and like this video if you did. And hopefully I will see you very soon with more Spookifies.
Step back.